How to fix Capital One app not working. If the Capital One mobile banking app isn't working, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you can check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, if you're using the Capital One app on Android, long press the Capital One app icon, tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the app information page. Then you can go to the option called Storage Usage, then tap on Clear Cache and make sure to tap on Clear Data. Then once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Capital One mobile banking app and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If it's still not being able to log in, you can just try to check your account details whether they're correct, like your credentials, and you can also try to restart your Android or iOS device. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.